In order for the cloud to actually take off and be something that is ubiquitous, it needs to be fully trusted. At SafeNet, what we're doing is creating the trusted cloud platform. That platform starts with a data-centric approach to protecting the valuable information assets that exist within the enterprise and even for individuals. That protection of that asset at the data-centric level allows us to then carry what we do into the cloud and actually create a platform that is built on top of the non-physical or virtual infrastructure of the cloud. The data-centric nature of our protection allows us to tie the key cryptographic properties that protect that information back to a root of trust that the information owner can hold, and thereby giving that information owner the type of control they need when that information is shared through either the cloud or any other mechanism that they may have. This gives them a complete trust that they need to have in using the cloud resources for all of their sensitive and vital information. In order for cloud providers to actually create a trusted environment where information that is sensitive can be actually processed and used, they need to start off by deploying something that we call cryptography as a service. It's basically a combination of traditional security appliances and devices and services, things like hardware security modules that are FIPS certified to actually hold secrets and other operational information for providing encryption as a service and actually doing those cryptographic operations. It gives the ability for the cloud provider to actually provide that overall security and trust in their infrastructure, but it allows the enterprise to actually maintain ownership by holding on to key material and other kinds of information relevant to protecting that data. So we actually have customers today that are deploying our solutions in the enterprise and working in conjunction with cloud providers that are actually building up cryptography as a service to allow sensitive data to actually operate in the cloud. The dynamic nature of the cloud environment calls for basically a trusted platform to run upon. The most important thing is to be able to take that application that you have and the information that's tied to it and be able to trust that it's going to be able to run in the cloud, but only in the cloud provider that you select. And also that only the instances of those applications that you want to run in the cloud are up and running, so that you actually don't have your application taken out of the cloud provider in the form of a VM image and the data and have it worked on in some other cloud environment. This is something that is vitally important when it comes to the next generation of how we're going to see applications moving in the cloud. At SafeNet, we supply a variety of hardware security modules and also encryption services that are designed to protect your virtual images as you run them in the cloud, protecting your applications and your data, and making sure that you know exactly where those cloud applications that you push out are running.